it's felting. It's a lovely craft to do and I haven't done it for a good while. This is an easy peasy beginner's kit. So that's nice, we won't have to think too much while we do this. I received this as a gift from a very lovely friend and I thought she might like to see it made on video. So here it is. Mr. Mole, he's beautiful. Look at his gorgeous little glasses. So let's open the box. Inside we have some felty wool in grey and some felty wool in beige or white and some felty wool in pink. We've got a little booklet to tell us what to do and we have, oh, a little cute little bag, stuff and bits and bobs and doodahs, making a very satisfying rattling noise inside. Come on. There we go, that's wire I imagine for the glasses, to make the glasses. And needles and pins and things. Right, so we have everything we need. So we have why is there always, in every kit I have, there's always something that I can't get open. Oh, it's so tight. Oh. There we go. In here we have 3 felting needles. And we also have 2 little pins, which I believe are for the eyes. Let's have a look through here. I do know the basics of felting, but I will read through some of these before I get started, just to make sure I'm not doing anything particularly wrong. Oh. And hopefully he shall end up like this. So let's get going. Okay, when you're tugging felt, make sure you don't tug too hard. If you tug it really hard, it doesn't come apart. Whereas if you pull it gently, then it splits. This is the foam block and this will be where we're stabbing. So when you've got your felting needle, you're going to stab directly down onto the wool, but so you don't want to do that onto a firm surface. You need a bit of give underneath. So I've got a knot in this bit of felt. It says to do 2 knots, but I feel like I've got a thicker piece than her, so I'm just going to stick with this one. And then it says to felt one end of it around the knot. So let's give that a go. I'm just going to tape all 3 of the needles together because it'll give us a little bit of extra zhuzh when we're doing this, and it might help it look a little bit tighter. Okay, so we have a little head with a pointy snout. Yay! Next it says we take another piece of this and it says we make 2 simple knots in the middle of another piece of wool. So it feels like it's not long enough for 2, but that's one. Yeah, I don't know how you do that. Maybe we'll just have one. Unless I can pull that down. Oh no, Gemma. So right, we'll essentially we just need to make a kind of sausage shape. So I might just kind of hold that on the end there. And, yeah, we'll give it a go. So I have a kind of eggy sort of shape, although I've flattened the bottom a bit so that it can stand. And I think it's kind of a good size with the head. So yeah, it's coming together. Let's see what we do next. So now we attach the head to the body. So it says we felt a little bit on one side with some ends sticking up, because those will then attach to the head. And then we have this situation. And then, okay, there we go. And we fold them up into this and try and fix this on. Right, so its head is on, it's not fallen off, and I think it can still stand. Sort of, yeah, more or less. So, right, let's see. I think now we start putting some colour on. Yee. Yes, okay, so we've got a little bit of pink here that we are going to just take a small bit of. Whoops, probably need more than that. There we go. And then we're going to cover his little nosy. Ooh, and it says to just do a little at a time and then build the colour up. And then we put dark all over his body.
Can we go somewhere it's a little bit quieter than it is in our heads, than it is in our heads? Ever since I met you,
He's like a little ninja. Now I feel like I've got to decide on his comb over. We go this way. Just pull his hair over. Okay, just try and tack that in, just with tiny pulls, just so that it can hold in place, and then I'll move it back onto the mat in a second. Okay. I feel like it's got some like share hair now coming down. It's got a bit of a side sweep going on.
but that goes unsaid. Won't you run away? I know you're not happy in the place that you stay. So take my hand, we'll run away from.
He's coming. Little by little. Hey. So this is more or less the body. So now I think we have to make hands. Okay, so we need 4 layers of pink like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we flatten it out. It's quite thin and firm. So now we have to cut out. It says with small sharp scissors. I only have big mad scissors. Oh, unless I find, hang on, I do have fabric scissors. Hang on a minute. Let's find the fabric scissors. Where could they be? Where have I put them? Oh, so much in the cupboard. Scissors. Yes. Oh, absolute beaut. Yeah. I mean, they're, oh, sorry. Oh my God, I almost snipped his nose off. Sorry, duck. It says cut out 4 thumb shapes. So that's the shape of my thumb. And then you see that's going to go on here. But then we just want to cut out also some little claws. 1 claw. 2 claws. I feel like the count. 3 claws. So this will be like that. Okay, let's make some more.
Don't you know how much your eyes light up with stars? Don't you know that you're my lighthouse when it gets dark? Don't you know how much you make me smile? You say you're not worth much, but I think you're worth much more than my while.
He is cute, gotta say. We need to get more dark and just put it over these bits.
Take my hand, we'll run away from monsters and mayhem. 'Cause
I'm felting a mole, but I'm felting a mole, but I'm sticking a needle in a mole, but I do apologize, Mr. Mole, for sticking a pin in your mole, but
am an expert at saving. It's how I save myself. It's how I save myself.
okay, I think shape-wise he's back to what he should be. He's pretty cute. And so now it says to just add a couple of details like some snout. I think maybe I'll need to separate out my needles now and just have the one. Come on, needles. Lovely and sticky now. Yeah. Okay, so we need a nostril surgery. 1 nostril. I'm so sorry, Mr. Mole. It's so ungraceful, isn't it? Right, I think it might be time for the eyes. Let's get some eyes for you. I'm in the tube of dreams. So it says to make a hole and then put the little eye in. See? Oh, so cute. Okay, and now we have to try and make sure his eyes are level, otherwise he's gonna have some issues. There. No, go in, go in. Oh, yes. Look at your sweet little face. It's too dark for you to see, but he has got 2 eyes now. Okay, and so now, last but not least, is the glasses. So we've got some wire here. Let's go around this round once. 1 hole. Oh yeah, I think that's going to be fine. And then round again. Oh, that's not too bad, I don't think. No, that's fine. Okay, and then we've just got to bend it. Let me get my little pliers, my tiny pliers, and let's just bend it from there. Bend it from about there backwards. Yeah, that's not too bad. Let's cut off. Oh, teeny tiny glasses. Nice. I've got to try and fit them on your head. How do we fit them on your head? Do they go like above your eyeballs? That's a bit weird, isn't it? I feel like I should have put his eyes up higher now. Oh, I feel like his eyes are too low and his glasses are too high. Oh well, that's just the way it's going to have to be. I mean, he's still quite cute. It's just that his eyes are lower than his glasses. So here he is. This is the final little Mr. Mole. I think he's come out pretty cute, and I'm very pleased that he stands up. That's a win in itself. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps to support the channel. And if you would like to subscribe to see more little crafty goodness, then please do. And yeah, that's it. So that's the end of the video. Goodbye.